Hey guys, Jordan here from Poppet Adventures. Hope everyone is safe. Hope everyone is well. We're in DY, New South Wales, in Sydney, Australia, and Sydney's Northern Beaches. DY is in the heart of the Northern Beaches and is a big place. Lots of shops, lots of stuff. DY's population is at 24,353, so it's a big suburb. One of the biggest in Sydney. So this is some facts about DY. Pretty cool, pretty crazy. This is all from Wikipedia. But, so there's a lot of buses that go through DY. You can go by car or bus. There's no trains. Also, guys, my other channels at Jordan's Jokes. Check that out. Also, if you can, the Pinball Junkie 93. Put the @ sign. Search it up. Do both. Please help my channels grow. And also, of course, subscribe to this channel. So DY is a cool place because it's multicultural. There's computer shops, there's food shops, there's record shops. There is employment, there is fun, there's gyms, it's everything. There's schools. There's really everything you can ask for. I think there's only a private hospital. You don't need a hospital in every single suburb. So shout out to DY Computers, one of the best computer shop. And here's DY Grand. A bit of info on DY Grand. It's pretty cool. It's a great place to go to. I really like it here. And here's also a record shop. It has books. It has records. They trade and sell. Really cool in here. This is the, as I said, this is the DY Computers. So DY Computers have been around since 1994. I was born in 93. It's really cool. How cool is this artwork? Women will probably say it's ugly, but who cares? So DY has this big main road and you can walk down for a while. DY also has bowling alley, which we'll get to in a sec. That will be at the end of the video. I'm also doing a full video on the bowling alley at the Pinball Junkie 93. So if you want to look at that amazing vlog. So here's the sushi train. So back in the day, I was also in an employment service. I had 3 different employment services here. So here's Sandy's Records. I wasn't employed by them. I'm just a big fan. Amazing shop, amazing customer service. I got a good poster here for free. What a lovely fellow. I bought a few records, so he gave it to me for free. That would be like $30 somewhere else. So there's a lot of real estate agents, banks, food, as I said. There's a Subway down here if you're interested in Subway, if you want to eat fresh. DY is an amazing suburb because it's got a beach, but it has a lot of family fun. You can take your family to school. Here we go. Let's shout out to this cafe. They got Manly stuff, Manly poster. So everyone go to Zuby on the Oaks. Don't go to any other cafe. Let's go to them. It's a big shout out from me. Hopefully Manly can win this year. So DY is one suburb up from Brookvale Oval, or Brookvale, which has Brookvale Oval in it, and about 2 or 3 suburbs away from Manly itself. It's not far. So here's this cool sort of shopping centre. It's not even a shop full one. Look at this brand new shop. It's an arcade cafe. It's like arcade style. It's like a claw machine. So here's some different food places. And here is a pasta company. So here is a good Asian shop. Got a lot of these around. There's a few in DY and Chatswood. Here's like similar to the Reject Shop. So here's the fancy food outlet, food precinct. A lot of people wouldn't recognize it because it's changed, but in a movie, Looking for Ella Brandy. I can't remember what scene, but I don't know where it is, but you'll be able to recognize it in the movie, but it's knocked down now. But that's cool. It used to be, yeah. If anyone can comment down below a photo or something. This where I'm standing is where that would have been, but it looks completely different. So down in DY there's multiple shops. DY News Agency. Everyone needs to go to DY News Agency. Buy as many Manly stuff as you can. Help it out, help it grow, help my channel grow. Go Manly. Every time you buy stuff it helps Manly grow. Go to these guys. I'm not associated with them, but I'm happy to give them a plug. So this is another one of those. There's 3 shopping centres or shopping complexes or what do you want to call it in this place. It is just crazy. Because there is 2 Coleses in DY. 2 Coleses. Our Coles at Newport isn't even going to open till April. It's February 14th now, or 13th, February 13th when I was filming. 7-Eleven in DY, that's pretty cool. Go there, it's cheap petrol there. And here we go, DY bowling, or DY RSL bowling. It is a zone bowling, it's also got a time zone. That will also be on my pinball channel. Thank you for your time, like, subscribe, take care.